Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey PlayStation fans, ever finish an awesome game session and wish you could find that cool player you teamed up with? It can be super frustrating when you want to connect, but the PS5 interface sometimes hides those recent connections. Don't worry, because there is actually one specific, reliable way to track down those players you've recently encountered, even in 2025. Let's dive right into it. The absolute best way to find recent players is through the PlayStation 5 Players Met feature. From your home screen, simply scroll up to the top menu bar, then move over to your Friends icon. Click on that, and within the Friends section, you'll see an option called Players Met. This is your golden ticket. It automatically populates with everyone you've shared a game session with recently, making it incredibly easy to find them again. While the PS5 Players Met feature is highly reliable, some individual games actually keep their own separate records. Many online multiplayer titles, for example, have a recent players list or a detailed match history directly within their own menus. If you can't find someone immediately through the consoles list, always remember to check the game itself. It often provides extra details or a slightly different list, giving you another solid chance to connect. So, why is Players Met the only truly reliable method you need in 2025? It's because this feature is directly integrated into the PlayStation 5 core system. It captures nearly every multiplayer interaction across all games and updates quite rapidly. Other methods might offer some info, but Players Met is the consistent, official record. So, make it your first stop when you're looking to reconnect with anyone you've played with online. So, there you have it. The definitive way to find recently played with players on your PlayStation 5 in 2025. Just remember to head to your Friends menu and select Players Met. It's that simple, and it's super effective. Don't forget to send those friend requests or messages to keep the good times rolling. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more PlayStation tips. Happy gaming, everyone!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.